Are you one of the 13 million people who have heard of Monzo, or are you one of the many who are still wondering what it is? When it launched in 2015, Monzo wasn't just another bank. It was a hot pink card that promised to do things differently. Real-time spending notifications, easy budgeting, and a no-fee approach to foreign transactions. It spoke to a new generation of users and it grew fast, largely through word-of-mouth recommendations and a viral golden ticket referral system. So, how many people are using Monzo today? As of mid-2025, Monzo has surpassed 13 million customers. This includes a combination of personal and business accounts, with about 12.5 million personal users and over 700,000 business customers. To put that in perspective, that's roughly 1 in 5 adults in the UK, and 1 in 8 UK businesses. The growth has been rapid, with the bank adding around 1 million customers in just the last quarter alone. This kind of rapid expansion isn't a fluke. In its most recent financial year, Monzo reported an incredible 48% increase in revenue, driven by a combination of lending, subscriptions, and other services. They've also seen a massive increase in customer engagement, with weekly active users up by 28%. This shows that people aren't just opening an account and forgetting about it. They're actively using it for their day-to-day finances, with a growing number of customers even making it their primary bank. Monzo's continued success is driven by its commitment to innovation. They've launched a range of new products, from accounts for those under 16 to a new pension feature and a suite of paid subscription plans. They're also becoming the bank of choice for small business owners, especially female founders, with 40% of their business customers being women, more than double the UK average. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.